Hi Ricky, good morning. How are you?
Good,
Welcome
good.
to our store.
Great to be here.
We are just launching the Khadi as a new brand. See the jacket which you are wearing.
Yeah.
There are almost 189 people will be involved in
Yeah.
manufacturing it.
Wow.
This particular one will be done on German-based machines technology as well as on the Italian-based technology.
Wow.
How do you feel wearing
No, of
it?
course, it feels amazing. I'm not well versed in the technology or how it is created. All that I can say is that the jacket feels good. It's been designed really well.
Yeah.
It fits really well, and it's something that I will proudly wear. They're carrying on a tradition which is on the threat of extinction.
Yeah.
So it is very important that we encourage them. Number one, so it's very important that all of us encourage these art forms and these artisans. But to the artisans themselves, I would say to remain perseverant, because what they're doing is absolute heavy lifting, which actually is completely our responsibility to take care of. But they are actually carrying the load, and they are taking our heritage forward into the next decade and the next century. These are age-old traditions which absolutely should not die out, because they are environmentally sustainable, they're socially sustainable, they create a community, they sustain that particular community. So I think it is very important that that they and I hope that they carry on with what they're doing, and I hope that more and more people like you, like Rajni, all of you, I hope your tribe increases. And I hope the way that you have inspired me to adopt Khadi in my life, I hope that all of us are able to inspire more and more people to adopt Khadi within their own life.
This is a new range which we are going to introduce,
Yeah.
especially for the Gen Z also. And that is the major portion of our promoting this to the Gen Z.
Correct.
What would like to give a message to the Gen Z when they see this attire which is like a formal suits category?
So I think what's happening right now in our world today is that because of social media and because of digital media, nowadays people are not going out and looking for great products. The only thing that people buy and consume and end up wasting also is products that are sent to them on their phones, and information of products and advertisements that reach them. So the people who have got the largest marketing budgets, they end up being purchased. And it's the same thing with music also, because music also has got its similarities. Indian classical music is not promoted as much as contemporary forms like Bollywood music or film music, simply because Bollywood music and film music has got larger marketing budgets. So that's the reason why nowadays people have stopped looking out for good music, but they only listen to music that actually comes to their phones. We are not only being far more fashionable and comfortable while we are wearing Khadi, but we're also being more responsible to the planet.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, what does the Gen Z want? Gen Z wants something that is fashionable,
Yes.
something that is convenient,
Yeah.
and the third thing is that something that is responsible to planet, and something that they can feel good about when they wear it. So all these three things are completely checked by Khadi. I think the only thing is that the word needs to spread out, because as I said, the only thing that people buy nowadays is stuff that they hear of through their phones or through advertising. And unfortunately, Khadi does not have that huge machinery to actually advertise and sensitize people to these 3 points that I mentioned.
As you rightly said, I would like to say Khadi is a zero carbon based product. It is not going to give us any pollution.
Correct.
And we are bringing in new technologies which are, would like to, you are a very sensation, the Gen Z.
Got it.
Would like to, through your media or through your music,
correct.
would like to make sure that it will come, as you rightly said, it is eco-friendly. It is a
so lots of C's over here: conscious, comfortable, convenient, cost-effective, everything.
And also consumerism in India should always increase into this. And then thank you very much for being with us, and then thanks for that.
Thank you so much for involving me. Thank you so much.